34 272. Pretty good if we go slightly in the back, kind of hit Robinson Road instead of backtracking and go back to 16 if we need to.
Simple.
98, if you would continue down Harmon. I'm with 34, we're going to cut down Robinson.
Watch 10 before tonight for 51 per Benton County's radios. Trooper, that was 1019 with Benton County deputies, now 10-7 possible wreck out. Benton County's radio advising southbound Lookout Tower Road from Martin Pedro.
You're mostly ripped out.
10-4 per Benton County deputy. We're advising the state police unit that was 1019 with them was wrecked out on Martin Pedro. They're now southbound on Lookout Tower Road. Big County has someone that route to check on it. County 7-2, we just contacted state police. They advised it was going to be L41. It possibly struck a pothole. His vehicle is slowing down. He's still that far. Yes. Watch the connect 510 today. 2. 10-4. Washington 51, Benton County's regular, southbound Lookout Tower Road approaching Highway 16 now.
Southbound Robinson Road.
10-4.
L13 is on at 16 Lookout Tower Road.
L13 so far.
Power speeds. Suspect vehicle.
Canada L32, last speeds updated with southbound speeds of 40 on Lookout Tower. Once someone joins in, can you go give them the map? 7-2, that's what? Somewhere.
Good, you want the 72. I'm probably going to be the closest to him. If I'm able to catch up, you want me to join or set up flag?
They take off your way, might as well set up spikes. Sounds like they already got a couple floods anyway.
Careful.
Drop 53. 510 somewhere. Watch channel 32, advising westbound 16 now.
Can I confirm you from westbound?
Let me see your hands, motherfucker! I'll kill you all! Don't fucking move! Hands up! You will all die tonight if you drop your fucking hands! You understand me?
Blue advised DVI. 10-4. Crossing Fayetteville, signal down at 15th and school. I think it. Five, 10, good. Exactly, Fayetteville, 15th and school. Washington units responding to the agency assist per Penn County's radio. They've got vehicle stop. All occupants are 1015.